excited. Hello everybody. So this box just came in and I'm eager to find out what's in this box. I don't know if Steven got me something, but we are going to see. I'm going to open this. OMG is the Elechomes microcomputer electric rice cooker. Shout out to Elechomes for this product that they gave me for me to review. Thank you on behalf of StellaZone. I like to cook rice. OMG, I'm like, did they box it enough? Like, is there enough box in
Another
here?
box.
Another box.
Box within a box.
Box within a box.
It's okay.
You want to be in mommy's video? So, now again, get it out of the... Oh, okay. Makes it easier to bring it out of the third box.
Daniel agrees.
OMG.
He's very excited.
Very, very. OMG. This is... It's like, can you stop saying OMG?
Looks like R2D2.
I'll clean up. So this is the...
Don't even open it now.
Oh, I don't have to open that. Yeah, that's true. So let's see this monstrous... It's like you gotta make space for it.
They certainly package it well.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
Nathaniel.
this is so fancy.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Nathaniel agrees. Okay. Can't wait to try this out. Maybe I can use this to make some pomelo soup.
Whatever you like.
Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. Elechomes, thank you. Oops. Thank you, thank you. So this is the steaming tray they have in here. And this is of course
Yeah.
the spoons to scoop the rice.
Or soup.
Or soup, yeah. And this is the power cord. And this is the measuring cup.
We'll have a full video.
We'll do a full video, but this is OMG, this is so fancy. And this is supposed to be touch screen, by the way. Instruction on here.
What's up there? What about the top? What's on the top there?
Top one.
The top of it.
Here.
Oh, it's just a vent. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the vent. Alright, so thank you, Elechomes, for this rice. This is like a badass. Like, this is so nice. So yeah, I look forward to using this and reviewing it and letting other people. Yeah.
Stay tuned for the full review.
Stay tuned for the full video while I use it to cook. Alright, bye guys. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button, okay? Remain in God. Have a blessed day. Bye.